he's hooked over. He's gone over to De Salza. He's actually hooked a washing line. He dives down now. We're trying to see if the guys can spot what's on that washing. Look at that. Oh, Victoria.